Did you know that in the heart of Upper Egypt, specifically in the city of Nag Hammadi, I established one of the largest aluminum factories in the Middle East? The High Dam. The Egyptian government, led by Gamal Abdel Nasser, was focused on heavy manufacturing. Egypt needed a huge project that exploits the new electricity generated by the dam, hence the idea of creating a huge aluminum industry, dependent on cheap electricity and the presence of the workforce in Upper Egypt. Nag Hammadi was chosen for strategic reasons: its proximity to the Nile to provide water, the abundance of vast lands suitable for construction, its proximity is to the Nag Hammadi Qanator tank, and the sources of electricity to the High Dam. Relatively high unemployment in Upper Egypt, allowing a large number of workers to be employed. The construction began in 1969 and lasted for several years. Cooperation with experts from the Soviet Union in planning and construction took place. A full industrial city has been created around the factory to serve workers and engineers. The project included aluminum smelting units, flag ion analysis laboratories, initial and secondary production units. The actual production started in the 70s. If you like the story, don't forget to like for the video and subscribe to the channel so that you will receive everything new about Egypt's industrial history.